Hello and welcome to Make Explore Art. Now today I'm going to be using the Mondeluz Aquarelle coloured pencils by Koh-I-Noor, which are also water soluble. I'll show you a couple of blending techniques, a couple of do's and don'ts, and also the colour palette that you get in this set. So let's get started. So my only other piece of equipment today is my water brush, and this is really handy to use in the classroom or at home because you simply fill it with water and then you can use it with your watercolour pencils or indeed watercolour set. I'll start with yellow, orange and red, and I'll move through the gradient. And the reason I'll start with the yellow is because it's the lightest colour that I want to experiment with. If you can, always try to start with your lightest colour because it means then the water brush won't muddy so easily. And now I can use my water brush. Now for the first time when using it, you may need to give it a little shake just so that it brings the water to the paintbrush so you can start painting with it. And you'll see almost instantly these coloured pencils turn into almost watercolour paint. One blending technique is using the yellow and then pulling the yellow water through to the orange and then through to the red. The reason I do it this way round is so that the yellow stays really nice and clear and crystal yellow, as opposed to being muddied through the other colours and through the watercolour tip. So if you start with a darker colour with your water brush, it means that it actually takes on that darker colour straight away and then it muddies the tip of the brush. In my opinion, this is not a good idea to do because when you come round to using your lighter colours, it means they'll already be impacted by this other colour. In my opinion, the Mondeluz Koh-I-Noor watercolour pencils are particularly good quality for students, and they come in packs of 12. Here I'm just showing you an example of what these individual colours look like when added with water. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Make Explore Art for more tips, tricks and tutorials, and see you next time.